Service organizations in the manufacturing industry face many challenges in increasing service productivity, empowering teams, and ensuring positive customer outcomes. Service technicians often waste precious time struggling with keyword searches and bulky PDF documents. Meanwhile, rising customer expectations for service resolution and product uptime lead to higher dissatisfaction and churn. Additionally, complex products and an aging workforce create a skill gap, resulting in more contact center calls, longer resolution times, and increased product downtime. Providing outstanding service requires a skilled workforce, access to collective knowledge, and continuous improvement. Circuitry.ai is excited to introduce Service Advisor, powered by the latest AI technologies to empower your service teams. Service Advisor helps quickly diagnose issues, identify root causes, and provide step-by-step resolution instructions. It's designed for servicing complex products with a deep understanding of unique terminology, product configurations, diagnostic procedures, and repair processes. Service Advisor turns hours of searching into seconds of finding precise answers. Trained on all your service knowledge, including manuals and support cases, it offers instant access to answers via a simple conversational interface. With Service Advisor, expect a 35% boost in technician productivity and a transformative customer service experience. This trusted advisor supports service teams, contact centers, and field technicians globally, 24/7 on web, mobile, and messaging platforms, significantly reducing service delivery costs. Service Advisor enhances the productivity of contact center agents and service teams by empowering them to become experts on your entire service knowledge. It drives service revenues and profitability, improving productivity and first-time fix rates. Start now with Circuitry.ai Service Advisor, available on a low-risk, cost-effective subscription model. Benefit from trusted advisors who will help improve service productivity, efficiency, and profitability.